everyone, welcome to Cosmic Wisdom, my YouTube channel. It's your weekly horoscope for the week 6th of October till 12th of October as per your zodiac moon sign. So I will put down timeline description of all the zodiac signs so you can check your and you can take the guidance and plan your week. I know it's a general reading and sometimes some feels that we are not connected with. It's okay, just have faith, take this guidance, and in somewhere down the line, when you face such situation, you can apply these guidances. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, and share this video with your family and friends so that they can also get the guidances and plan their week. Please press the bell icon so that you are the first person to get notifications of all my new videos. So without wasting time, let's get started. First zodiac sign is Aries, that is Mesh Rashi. So for Aries, the card is Prince of Autumn, which means this week you need to be cautious in taking any decisions or action. You have to, read out, or you have to understand each and every detail minutely and then take action. Don't take impulsive decisions or actions randomly without knowing the details. So you have to properly pay attention to the details before taking any action. Also, it is the time to be kind to others. This is the week where you need to be kind towards others, because we always say if we are kind to others, we get the blessings from them. So this is the time where you need to be kind to others. Also, you are very humorous and protective this week towards your loved ones. So, all the best, Aries. Now, let us move ahead and check the guidance for Taurus, that is Vrishab Rashi. So, Taurus, let's see what is the card. Okay, so Taurus, we have the card 8 of Winter for you, which tells you this is the week where you need to believe in yourself. Believe that you have the power to take any decisions, you have the power to be successful, to do things which can help you to be successful. At the same time, if you feel that you are powerless and you don't have self confidence to move towards success, then you will lack of it and you will not get what you want in life. So in order to achieve what you want in life, in order to achieve success in life, you have to believe in yourself. You have to have that self confidence that you have the power to achieve anything in life. Just believe in yourself, Taurus. All the best. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Gemini, Mithun Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay, so Gemini, for you the card which I pulled out is the Sun, which is a very positive card. So this is the week where you will have positivity around. Whatever plans you have made will definitely work out perfectly. It will be in your favor. You will achieve success in life. If you have faced obstacles and challenges, which will soon be over, and you will have blessings of the universe. So amazing ideas will lead to rewards this week. So whatever ideas you have implemented, and you will receive rewards and commendations, you will get appreciation for it. It is the time to have gratitude for the blessings of life. So Sun depicts gratitude, Sun depicts success, Sun depicts rewards, financial abundance. So all the best, Gemini. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Kark Rashi, that is Cancer. Let's see what is the card for Cancerians. Okay, so Cancerians, for you the card is Lover. So Lover always means choices. So you have to make choices from the heart. Whatever decisions you have to take, whatever choice you have to make in life, this is the time to make it from the heart. Also, if you are single, you will definitely find true love of your life, which will be long lasting. Or if you are already in a relationship, have a beautiful time together with your partner. So it's always says it's a beautiful time. True love is long lasting. Enjoy your time with your partner. Have a candlelight dinner, romance, enjoy it. Also, if you were facing some ill health or some health issues, it is the week where you will have a good health. So, all the best, Cancer. Now, let us check the guidance for Leo, that is Singh Rashi. Let's see what is the card which I have pulled for Leo. Okay, so Leo, for you, the card is Two of Winter, which means this week you will be indecisive, you will be confused, you will have options, but indecision is holding you back. I would suggest make choices that will help you in the long run, rather than in order to please others you are making choices. So it's always advisable, be practical and not emotional. Make the best choice which is good for you, rather than pleasing others. This is the week where you are being trapped between intellectual and emotion, so you have to think very practically what is the best for you. Don't go ahead with emotions. Have that mindset that what is required for you, and then take decisions. Be decisive, be practical this week, Leo. All the best. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo, Kanya Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay, so Virgo, for you the card is the Empress, which means it's a time to take action. Empress always suggests, take action. Whatever ideas, whatever things you have in mind, it's the time to take action. It's the time to enjoy financial success and abundance. It's the time to enjoy success, the life of luxury. Pamper yourself, you know, meditate, take time out for yourself, enjoy me time. Also, if you are a female or if you are married couple, you can plan for a baby. Is the right time to plan for a baby. Also, this card suggests work from home opportunities, so definitely you will find some work from home opportunities, good opportunities. All the best, Virgo. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Libra, Tula Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is strength, which means this is the week where you need to have inner strength to overcome any challenges in your life. Just remove the fear, anxieties from your life, and have that strong inner strength that can help you to overcome any challenges. Is a time to have the power of kindness and forgiveness. Forgive people who have cheated you or who have betrayed you, and move on in life. Trying to embrace yourself, how wonderful you are. Believe in yourself. Also, it's the time to tame your emotions, balance your emotions, control your emotions, not too angry and not too sad. So, balance your emotions and believe in yourself. All the best, Libra. Now, let us move ahead and check the guidance for Scorpio, that is Vrishchik Rashi. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Ace of Summer, which means is the time to open your heart for love, is the time for new beginning in love. It's a time for new intimate relationship if you are single, or if you are already in a relationship and facing challenges. It's the time to have an open communication, and it's a time for rebirth of the current one. So speak to your partner, sort out your differences, and have an enjoyable time together. Also, new creative opportunities are waiting for you, which will give you a joyful experience to make use of it. Also, this is a time to awaken your psychic abilities, listen to your heart, or spiritual epiphanies. So it's a time to have spiritual awakening, it's a time to have psychic abilities, listen to your intuitions and take the decisions. All the best, Scorpio. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarians, that is Dhanu Rashi. Let's see the card. Okay. So Sagittarians, for you the card is 5 of Winter, which means it's the time to walk away from dishonest associations. People who have cheated you, people who have betrayed you, don't hold on, just move on. Walk away from any dishonest relationships, dishonest association. Sometimes it happens what we have expected doesn't happen, and we feel cheated, we feel betrayed, expectations when not fulfilled, it hurts. But realize that what you wanted isn't the best choice, it's not for your happiness. So universe knows what is good for your happiness. So if things are not happened as per your expectations, it means this was not the right choice for your happiness, something that is not worth your effort. So putting too much of efforts in any relationship which is not worth it, which doesn't give us happiness, we should walk away from it. Or if the situation which is not as per expectations, holding on continuously will not give us any expectations, so we should leave it. It is not worth our efforts. All the best, Sagittarians. Now let us check the guidance for Makar Rashi, Capricorn. Let's see the card. Okay, so Capricorns, for you the card is Princess of Winter. Sometimes we feel that information that can help you, but which may also be difficult to hear. Sometimes, speaking the truth hurts, because it happens. सच्चाई हमेशा कड़वी होती है और ये हम सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं हैं. But if we speak the truth with kindness, we will see that this was what we needed. सच्चाई कड़वी ज़रूर होती है, डिफ़िकल्ट होती है सुनने में, but that will help us in our long run. So it is always advisable to speak the truth but with kindness, or we should have that gut to listen to the truth. Also, this week you will be very realistic, very inquisitive to learn new things. You will learn for thirst for knowledge. You are inquisitive to go deeper in detail to know things. You will be more focused towards your career. You will be undiplomatic. कई बार क्या होता है, अगर हम डिप्लोमेटिकली आंसर देते हैं तो हमारे लिए फ़ायदा होता है, बट इस वीक हम अनडिप्लोमेटिक होंगे. हम सच्चाई बोलेंगे चाहे वो कितनी भी कड़वी और हो सकता है हमें वो नुकसान भी पहुंचाए, बट इट्स आवर ड्यूटी टू स्पीक द ट्रूथ. इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू बी अनडिप्लोमेटिक. इट्स ऑलवेज गुड टू बी रियलिस्टिक. what we are, we should portray that. Fake people are not always successful. So this is the week where we have to be realistic. We are inquisitive to learn new things. We are truthful. We speak the truth but with kindness. I know it will hurt others, but that is what is necessary for them at the moment, or that is what we require at the moment. So all the best, Capricorn. Now let us check the guidance for Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. Let's see what is the card. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is 8 of Autumn, which means it is the time to do research before proceeding anything new. Before taking any decisions, it's the time to do proper research. Also, in order to improve our skills, in order to, you know, learn new things, we need to take education to improve our skills, either form of seminars, or we can go back to school and learn new things, or apprenticeships, which is necessary. Also, excellent craftsmanship means we need to put lot of efforts to reach success. We have to continue to give our 100% in our work. We have to continue put efforts and hard work to achieve success. Success is round the corner, but this week we still need to put lot of efforts. Also, we may get long term projects, so we have to be more focused. All the best, Aquarius. Now the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the card. Okay, so for Pisces we have the card Nine of Spring, which means people are trying to pull us down, so we have to protect the fruit of labor, we have to protect our boundaries, we have to protect our hard work. Pisces, it's the time to protect your labor, which is very important because there are a lot of competition in the market and people are trying to pull you down. You know, there are jealousy in the workplace. If you are successful, people try to pull you down. So you have to protect your boundaries, you have to protect the fruit of labor. Prepare yourself for possible challenges that lie ahead. You know, you have to put efforts, continue to do hard work, don't lose hope. I know there are enemies, there are challenges around the corner, so you have to prepare yourself, you have to protect your labor, then only you will continue to achieve success. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you so much everyone for watching my weekly horoscope. I hope this week horoscope also will give you lot of hope and happiness. Till then, take care. Bye bye.